All right, guys, I just got this brand new 10-inch kids tablet. This thing is really cool. My son needed something like this, and I looked around a long time, and I found this one, and I think it's pretty good. Let me show you. So when you pop it open, get the box open. And we've already used it a bit, but you have the tablet itself, which is great because it comes with a nice case, a nice plastic case that will protect it. And it also has this cool stand that is very sturdy, so it's not a flimsy one. So you put it on the stand and the tablet works like that. Now it also comes with some cool decorations for the back of it, a user guide, and a charger. So this has a very big capacity battery, so it lasts forever. We've been using it for a couple days and it's still going strong. You can go about 3 days before you need to charge it up. So I'm gonna get this loaded up. Let me unlock it really quick and I'll show you. So I like this for a couple reasons. This is an Android tablet, and the other really cool thing is it comes pretty much empty. It comes, you can have all the things that are on your Android phone or other device. They get loaded onto it, but it basically comes empty. The one cool thing it has an app called Kiddos, and so this is the app that especially if you have really little kids, can help control the parental. It's the parental controls for it, so you can really monitor what your kid is using and make sure that they're not accessing things you don't want them to. So you can load Netflix, YouTube Kids. You can load all of the different apps on here. I really wanted this so my kid had something in the car that he could watch movies, he could do something like that. So I really like this, it's great. Let me show you a few more things on this. So I've got his set up as basically a full laptop, but it has all of this this functionality. Again, you load up any of the apps. It's a really great Android iOS interface. And from here you can set up your email, you can set up everything. Get everything going, and it's a pretty fantastic little machine. It's great. You can function back to here. You've got your settings, you've got everything. So it works really well. I like it. All right, so my son really loves this Kiddos app, which again is the parental control app. It's really great for them. There's lots of games, and you can do videos. You can even do phone calls. And you can use the camera to record stuff, and it's really customizable. So again, he loves the games, so he'll sit here for a while and play, and it keeps them occupied. And sometimes they can learn some things too, which is pretty good. So yeah, all in all, what do you think? Good tablet?
Yeah.
Yep, we like it.